This is an Alberta emergency alert. City of Calgary has updated the overland flood alert. This alert is in effect for Calgary. Portions of the following communities
So right now
are
we're
under
just up
mandatory
26th
evacuation
Avenue
belt by
Southwest,
Bonnybrook,
stop of
Bones,
Earlton and
Ridgeland
McLeod
Industrial,
Street.
Chinatown,
So looks like we need to go. There's some emergency vehicles there. Alright.
Okay, we need to go.
This is the scene in Calgary. As you can see, some flooded homes. Completely flooded, and I mean there's some velocity to this water. As you can see, it's not just stagnant, it's literally streaming down. And only hope that these houses have insurance. Flood of the century in Calgary 2013. Better hope they have flood insurance.
Oh, fuck yeah. Great, like they're launching a boat over here.
Yeah, it looks like it, eh?
But
Look at that, like, oh my god.
like that's just insane.
It is. Have you been in Calgary long?
15 years off
Anything
and on.
like it?
Nothing ever like this.
No?
No, never.
I've been here 6 months. I'm just like,
Yeah, no, this is by far record-setting. We're witnessing history here right now. It's probably the biggest disaster Calgary's ever.
Yeah, this is what I hear too, yeah.
It's just fucking insane. Yeah, like,
Yeah. Somebody's backyard right there. $26.05. History in the making. really.
Full.
What's that?
The tunnel's full.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. No, don't worry about it. An incredible sight, completely underwater. You won't realize this, but in fact there was a pathway. These were war memorials with metallic shields on which war quotes were written. Underwater.
This is an Alberta emergency alert. City of Calgary has updated the overland flood alert. This alert is in effect for Calgary. Portions of the following communities are under mandatory evacuation beltline: Bonnybrook, Bonus, Bridgeland Industrial, Chinatown Eau Claire, Cliff Bungalow, Deer Run, Discovery Ridge, Downtown East Village, Elbow Park, Carlton, Inglewood, Hillhurst, Mission, Montgomery, Quarry Park, Rideau, Riverbend, Riverdale, Roxborough, Elboy, Sunnyside, Victoria Park, Windsor Park. If you are in the affected area, evacuate immediately. Avoid rivers, valleys and low-lying areas. Move to high ground. Follow the directions of local authorities. For details visit www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca or stay tuned to local media.